Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be fine. So today we are going to do exercise number 15 of comprehension. So let's get started with the reading. The camel is rightly called the ship of the desert. ऊंट को सहरा का जहाज बिल्कुल सही कहा जाता है. It is the best means of transport in the desert. ये आमदोरफ्त का बेहतरीन ज़रिया है सहराओं में. Camels go slow, but they go on walking for hours on the burning sand and in the blazing sun. ऊंट आहिस्ता चलते हैं, लेकिन वो कई घंटों तक चल सकते हैं तपती हुई रेत पर and in the blazing sun और चमकते हुए सूरज में. Camels carry heavy loads much heavier in weight than any other beast of burden can. Now, beast of burden are the animals who are used to carry burdens. For example, mule, donkey, they are famous as the animals who carry burden. So, camels can carry much heavier loads than other beast of burdens. While the other animals' feet sink into the sand, जबकि दूसरे जानवरों के पाँव रेत में धंस जाते हैं, nature has made the feet of the camel such that it is not at all difficult for it to walk on sand. कुदरत ने ऊंट के पाँव इस तरह बनाए हैं कि उसे रेत के ऊपर चलने में कोई मुश्किल पेश नहीं आती. The camel is superior to all other animals. ऊंट दूसरे जानवरों से बढ़कर इसलिए है. It can go without food and water for days and weeks. ये बग़ैर पानी और खुराक के बहुत दिनों और हफ्तों तक चल सकता है. It can store food and water. ये फूड और वाटर को स्टोर कर लेता है. Its hump is also a store of food. इसकी कोहान खुराक का ज़ख़ीरा है. Which the camel uses when it gets nothing to eat and drink for many days. जो कि एक ऊंट इस्तेमाल करता है जब उसे खाने पीने के लिए बहुत दिनों तक कुछ नहीं मिलता. In deserts only bushes grow here. सहराओं में सिर्फ झाड़ियाँ उगती हैं. And the camel can live on these. और ऊंट उस पर गुजारा कर सकता है. Now let's do the exercise questions. The first question is, why is the camel called ship of desert? It is called ship of desert because it is the best means of transport in desert. Is it for its speed that it is called the ship of the desert? Because they go on walking for hours on the burning sand and in the blazing sun. They go slow, but they can walk for hours. So that is why they are called the ship of the desert. So it is not just the speed, it is about the consistency. What difficulty do the other beasts of burden have to face while walking on the sand? So they can carry much heavier weight than other beasts of burden because the other animals' feet sink into the sand, but camels do not. Why does a camel walk easily on the loose sand of the desert? A camel can easily walk on the loose sand of desert because nature has made their feet such that it is not at all difficult for them to walk, because we are using the pronoun or the subject camels. So we'll change the next pronouns according to the subject of the sentence. And if you are using a singular subject like camel, then you will use it over here. So dear students, again it is according to the transformation of the answer. What special quality makes the camel superior to other animals used for transport? The other best quality or special quality that camels have, that they can go without food and water for days and weeks. How does the camel go without food and water for days and weeks? It is because they carry their food into their humps and they use their hump as a store of food. The last question is, what does the camel generally live on? A camel generally live on bushes, dry bushes that grow in deserts. So that is it for today, students. Now you can see the answers were pretty easy, but they were not simple. So you have to transform the answer according to the question of the comprehension. So this is it for the last comprehension. From tomorrow, inshallah, we'll be starting our outline stories. So till then, Allah Hafiz.